Hello everyone, so in today's video I am going to show you guys how I made my whipped coffee at home using Starbucks instant coffee mix. I purchased this from Costco because my husband is crazy about buying Starbucks coffee, and since we're safer at home, we really can't go out. I just decided to buy those instant coffee for him. Now I found these recipes online and I thought, oh, this is great. Something that he can make and drink at home, but it still tastes like store-bought coffee. Now, the online recipe says you use 2 tablespoons of everything. But since my Starbucks instant coffee mix is about 1 tablespoon of the coffee mix, I adjusted my own recipe. So I used 1 tablespoon of the coffee mix, 1 tablespoon of the sugar, and 1 tablespoon of the hot water. And then I mixed it together until it was to a mixture of what I desired. It could be much more fluffier if you mixed it more, but I thought it was good enough for me, so I stopped there. And, I was running out of time because my kids were screaming in the background. So just mixed it until it's to your desire of fluffiness, and then pour it on top of your milk. And you first put a couple ice cubes in your glass or cup, and then you pour milk onto it, and then the very last part is just pouring those mixture of the instant coffee mix on top, and that was it. You guys, he said it tasted heavenly, just like store-bought. Y'all need to try this out. Under this lockdown, we're all at home and we definitely need some yummy coffees. And if you want, you can actually make this with any type of instant coffee. It'll be just as tasty. These are super easy and simple to make. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is something that we can do while we're at home quarantine. We need those yummy coffees. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!